Pleasure having you here. Please have a seat, ma'am. And I'd now like to invite the CEO of Hotel Sahara Star and Ambi Valley City, Shri Vivek Kumarji, to kindly join us up on stage. A huge round of applause, please. Good evening, sir. I request you for, well, the press is very impatient to get a nice, good photo op with you. It's fantastic to have both of you up on stage. Well, the photographers have had their field day. Now it's time that I'd like to engage Mr. Anjana Sakhani. And of course, sir, if, in fact, I'd like to ask you first. I mean, you know, we've prepped up for Glitterati 2012 and now 2013 is up here. I'm very excited. Every single person here is very excited. And we'd like to know from you the insights as to what exactly is Glitterati 2013 going to give us all. So, sir, if we could kindly have a few words.
Full-on energy, full-on charm. It's Independent India's first planned Hill City. It's a creative expression of our Honorable Managing Director and Chairman, Shri Subrat Roy Saharaji. And to have a 31st night New Year bash at Ambi Valley City, which divinity all around, which is a perfect fusion of human creativity and natural surroundings. It gives it a very, very unique positioning to have such an event there, especially to welcome the New Year, a year of hope, prosperity and growth for all of us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. I definitely second what Sir said, and it's also one of the finest luxury destinations this country has seen. And like you said, yeah, it's Independent India's first planned hill city, unlike that's never happened before. So yes, we all obviously are very, very excited to perform, and this is my second opportunity to be performing at Sahara Parivar. I've already performed at Sahara Star a few years ago, and now this is Ambi Valley this time, so I'm super excited being here.
Oh, that's fantastic, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sure, I hope so.
Well, all right, sir, ma'am, tractor with our stars on stage. Please do let us know. I'll have a mic being passed around. If you have any questions for Shri Vivek Kumarji or for Ms. Anjana Sakhani, please do call out for the mic. Yeah, we do have a question right here.
Anjana, can you on and what will be your New Year's resolution as well as your plans and
you know, resolution is something I think that we never keep up. So ideally, I don't believe in making resolutions. I think it's important to just go with the flow. About the performance, well, the theme is very retro this year. So we would like to keep that flavor of using a lot of songs from the 70s, where the look is very retro, the music is very glam and yet very 70s. And so will be our costumes designed the same way. So will be the setup designed accordingly. So yeah, that's what we're looking at this year.
Hello,
like I said, this is the first step. Obviously, the press con was the first step to go ahead and announce that this is what we would be doing this year. And like I said, the theme is very retro, so we're going to stick to that kind of genre of music. Like the whole setup, the whole lighting, the whole costume, the whole drama around is going to be like that. And we are sitting with the team to shortlist the kind of music that we would like to see, that people would like to hear and watch this generation performing on the songs of 70s, and I think that'll be very, very dramatic and fun.
We have different accommodation types in Ambi Valley City, and ranging from regular standard rooms to suites to villas to cabanas. So it actually depends where would you want to park yourself for that evening. So the cost is proportional to what we would be giving to you for that evening. So it would be starting somewhere around 50 grands and it would further go up.
So 50 grand would be for the family, including everything?
It includes your breakfast, your lunch and your dinner. There are multiple packages involved. We'll give you the details of the packages for 1 night, for 2 nights. So it's going to be a multi-dimensional package. Depending what you choose is going to be proportional to what you pay.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Anjana, would you like Ambi Valley? Any song
You
which
know,
is your favorite?
yes, totally. I would love to do a lot of Zinat Aman numbers and Parveen Bawi because I think they were the queens of the disco era apparently that went on during that time. So yeah, those songs. And if we go like really retro, like go a little more behind, I think it would be Helen definitely. And I think her songs totally rock. So they are still so alive. That kind of music people still do like to see. And yeah, those are the songs that I would like to see myself performing on this year.
Second
Time I've performed at Sara Star, the hotel, a couple of years ago. So this is actually my second chance. Ambi Valley, of course, is the first time. I'm really looking forward to it because I've been there and it's a very, very, very beautiful place. And the weather is stunning. The place is beautiful. It has a lot of warmth and yet everybody has their own space. I think every person who would like to actually be happy and energetic and fun at New Year's should come to Ambi Valley to see the kind of setup that's going to be there for everyone. Like Sir said, there are different kind of packages for different kind of budgets available. So yeah, I think it'll be a great evening spent for everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, I got the question. That's fine. Besides performing for New Year's, I think this is our job. This is what we do. So this is work for us completely. And as of now, of course, yes, we are going to be very busy rehearsing for the show because definitely we want to put up the best forward. So as of now, the concentration is totally on making it like work like magic completely.
Well, thank you so much, everybody, for your questions. There's one thing for sure, from what I can see, right, rocking the silver screen. In fact, they've been the most eagerly awaited debutantes last year, and they did a fantastic job in their movie. Ladies and gentlemen, the stars of Ishaq Zadeh, please get your... Well, first and foremost, we'll let the lens do all the talking, and all the photographers do have your field day. We'd like to take a few photo ops. Again, we like one of them standing tall. Yes, of course. And that rocking pose as it's going to be seen at Glitterati 2013. Really nice and close. It's very hard to please our friends right here. Nevertheless, all right, thank you very much to all the lensmen. And if you're done with the so Arjun and Parneeti, I would like to hand over this mics. Well, it's awesome to have you here at the press con, and we're all eagerly awaiting Glitterati 2013, especially that you are a part of it. So, well, Ishaq Zadeh was a super duper hit and everybody loved your performances right there. And we'd like to know a little more about your excitement now to be part of 2013 with Glitterati. So, Parneeti, if you have something to share.
Thank you very much. I'm also very, very excited to be part of Glitterati 2013 because I've been in Bombay for 3 years and I've never been to Ambi Valley actually. So I'm very, very excited that I'll get to go on New Year's and perform on all my songs with Arjun, with Anjana, everybody. I'm very, very excited and thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much. And Arjun, we'd like to hear from you too.
I'm nervous and excited because it's my first performance since becoming an actor. She's already an expert at performing. I'm not. She's also performed. I'm sure I've not. So it's my first performance, and to get to do it at Glitterati 2013. I've been to Ambi Valley before as a guest, and it feels amazing that I'm going to go there as a performer to entertain people, to interact with people who appreciated our work. And it should be fun. It's going to be a first working New Year for me, so I'm really excited about it. Second working New Year, so.
All right, thank you so much. All right, now before we proceed with the members of the press engaging Parneeti and Arjun, I'd like to very specially now thank Anjana. Thank you so very much for coming here to the press con and engaging everybody in the media. Thank you, ma'am.
just wanted to know, will you be performing on your songs, hit songs, be it Ricky versus Ladies versus Ricky Behel or Ishaq Zadeh or your most famous songs?
Well, I've only done 2 films. And yes, I am glad some of those songs are done very, very well. Most of them from Ishaq Zadeh. And I will be performing from Ricky Behel and Ishaq Zadeh, yes. I'm very proud that I'm performing on my own songs.
Pariniti, are you performing retro songs, and which songs you will be performing from retro songs?
Retro songs, I believe retro is the theme of the evening, not really for us performers. So yeah, only our own songs. और वो बिल्कुल retro नहीं है.
अर्जुन, आप कौन से गाने पे परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं?
आप किस गाने पे चाहोगे कि मैं परफॉर्म करूं?
अर्जुन, मेरे गानों पे, मेरी फिल्म थी इशक ज़ादे, वो उसमें से करेंगे.
आपने सवाल पूछा और जवाब ये दे रही है. देखिए, तो मुझे बात करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. एज यूजुअल कुछ नहीं बदला. 7 महीने हो गए पिक्चर लग के, फिर भी ये जवाब दे रही है. आई विल बी परफॉर्मिंग ऑन इशक ज़ादे एंड छोकरा जवान, आफतों के परिंदे, जो भी परिणीति परमिशन देगी मैं उस पर नाचते रहूंगा.
हाँ.
Any New Year resolutions, both of you?
Oh God.
अभी तक बनाए नहीं. अभी 20 दिन बचे. I'll plan it and let you know.
I don't think I can stick to them, so I won't make them.
Let's have a mic, please.
This is Arjun's first time. What are the tips that Pariniti would be giving Arjun for the first time? I mean, as a first-time performer.
पता नहीं. I'm meeting her after a long time. She can give me tips.
अभी कोई tip दे दो Pariniti.
मैं इसको टिप दूं?
He's still behaving like it's a one-on-one.
नहीं, एक्चुअली फिल्म में भी इसकी एक्चुअली कहने को पहली पिक्चर थी और मेरी दूसरी थी, लेकिन पिक्चर में भी इसी ने मुझे टिप्स दी थी. मुझे लग रहा है परफॉर्मेंस के दिन भी यही मुझे टिप्स देगा. नो टिप्स.
Okay, hi Pariniti.
Hi, yes.
Hi Pariniti, this is Mrinmay.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Just in a fun way, I wanted to ask, apart from acting in movies, is this performing a steady source of income for you, being a glam diva?
Yes, I'll be very honest. It's very more than steady, actually. And actually, I'd like to take this opportunity to clarify some rumors that are going on in the papers that I've slashed my fees for this performance. I'm very, very glad that the media is taking a lot of interest in the money that I'm making for the performances. Thanks a lot. But no, New Year's is an occasion where I could have caught up on my sleep, but I'm working only because I'm making much more money than the amount that you're quoting in the papers. Please don't do that. It's the wrong message that goes out to the industry. I'm not making the money that you have been saying in the papers. It's much, much more, and that's the reason that I'm actually working on New Year's.
Arjun, hi.
Yes.
Since everybody is talking about Glitterati 2013, which is held for the New Year. So in New Year, I mean, your 2 films are coming, Gunde and Aurangzeb. So I just wanted to know the updates for both of the films.
And I have 2 states also.
Yes.
So they're coming, and you'll watch them.
So yeah.
And hopefully so will everybody else.
I want to know the personal updates on the films, what are you going through, and your shooting schedules and all that.
Yesterday I shot for Aurangzeb. Today again I'm shooting for Aurangzeb. Tomorrow again I'll shoot for Aurangzeb. Yeah, I start Gunde soon. I've not started shooting for it. We'll start very soon. I'm very excited for Gunde. It's one of my most exciting projects. Aurangzeb, I'm on the verge of completing it. It's been very interesting for the last 3 months. I've been shooting for it. 2 states abhi January ke baad shuru hogi. So again, that's a little bit time left. So hopefully all 3 of them will be out next year, and it's going to be a big year for me. And I think I'll be starting with a great way to start the new year, performing at Ambi Valley City. Positive, working, excited, looking forward to good things next year.
Well,
Mike.
How will you look at 2012? Because you debuted in 2012. So, किस तरह से अलविदा कहेंगे 2012 को आप?
मैं नाचते गाते लोगों के साथ जश्न मनाते ग्लिटराटी 2013 जो हमारे सारे दोस्त आएंगे उधर परफॉर्मेंस देखने उनके साथ गुड बाय बोलूँगा. लेकिन it's been a great year for me, full of highs and lows, and a learning year for me like every year is. So it's a good way to end it. I'm excited about the fact that people consider us to be exciting enough to come and watch us. I think that says a lot about the way the year has panned out, that we've got this opportunity to entertain people on New Year's. I think it's a gift that we possess as actors, to go out there, entertain people, and I'm excited by it. It's been a good year, and I look forward to continuing in the same vein in 2013.
परिणीति and अर्जुन, हाय. आप लोग से कहना चाहूँगा, परिणीति जब आप बड़े पर्दे पे ठुमके लगाती हैं तो वैसे ही लोग बेकाबू हो जाते हैं, तो ये क्राउड को काबू कैसे किया जाएगा?
आप आ जाओ.
सर, आप दोनों से कहना चाहूँगा, आप
मैं हूँ ना.
आपका सवाल है कि जब मैं ठुमके लगाती हूँ तो लोग बेकाबू हो जाते हैं.
जब आप बड़े पर्दे पे लगाती हैं तब तो वैसे ही बेकाबू हो जाते हैं.
हाँ.
जब आप लाइव लगाएंगी तो कैसे काबू किया जाएगा?
इसमें अपना बॉडीगार्ड लेके जा रही हूँ साथ में.
आयो ना, मैं आ रहा हूँ ना साथ में. आपको क्या लगता है मैं नाचने के लिए जा रहा हूँ?
वो नाचने के लिए जा रहा है, वो साइड में खड़े होके मुझे बता.
बस आई एम ओनली गोइंग टू मेक श्योर दैट शी इज ओके.
मतलब बॉडीगार्ड का एक आप रूप धारण कर रहे हैं?
ऑफ कोर्स.
नहीं, दोस्त की तरह भी जा सकता हूँ और उनकी जान बचा सकता हूँ अगर कोई दिक्कत है. बॉडीगार्ड बनने की जरूरत नहीं है मुझे उसके लिए.
अच्छा, तो आपकी जान कौन बचाएगा जब आप ठुमके लगाएंगे तो?
मेरी मसल्स नहीं देखी आपने?
आपने देखा नहीं इनको?
अच्छा, ये साल जिस तरीके से बात हो रही है, ये साल बॉलीवुड के लिए भी जहाँ एक तरफ 100 करोड़ की फिल्में लगातार लगती चली गई, वहीं एक तरीके से हमने बॉलीवुड के कई सीनियर कलाकारों को भी खोया है. एक तरीके दुखद रहा है साल. आप दोनों किस तरीके से इस साल को देखते हैं बॉलीवुड के एस्पेक्ट से?
जैसे कि हम हर साल देखते आ रहे हैं, इन द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स इट्स बिन गुड टाइम फॉर फिल्म्स, न्यू कमर्स, डेब्यूटेंट्स, न्यू स्टोरीज, न्यू डायरेक्टर्स. So it's been a very good time. Obviously with the good comes the bad. We've lost many legends, but that's how life is, and we have to continue working because the show must go on. That's what everybody says, and I completely agree with that. It's been a fantastic year in terms of talent, in terms of cinema, in terms of moving ahead. हमारी audience रोज evolve होते जा रही है, तो we can afford to take chances, and it's 2012 will always remain an example of that. मैं और परिणीति, we are the biggest example of the audience being accepting of newcomers, new material. Yashraj launching more people, new Dharma launching 3 new actors, new stories being told. Kahani jaisi picture hai, Vicky Donor jaisi picture hai. So it's been a very, very interesting year, and I hope it continues in 2013 and beyond.
परिणीति, आपका रिएक्शन चाहते हैं?
एक्चुअली इसने सब कह ही दिया. 2012 एक बहुत ही लैंडमार्क ईयर होने वाला था, ऑल्दो फॉर डिफरेंट रीजंस, बट येस, पर्सनली यश जी's loss affected me a lot. Because we knew him and worked with him very closely. Otherwise, yes, people like Arjun, me, Varun, Siddharth, Alia, there were lots of newcomers, as well as well-known actors whose films have touched 100 crores more than once in one year. So yeah, ups and downs, good and bad. Great for the economy, great for the industry. I hope 2013 is even more exciting.
Well, certainly will be. Yes.
Arjun and Parneeti, hi. Since we were talking about 2012, which is already past, we also saw a lot of women-centric films that came out in this year. Also, a lot of small-budget films did really great business out there in the market at the box office. So, if both of you all have to pick up on your favorite women-centric film and, one small-budget movie that made really well at the box office, your favorites, if you could just tell us on both these things, please.
I think my personal favorite out of the women-centric film, so to say, was Kahani.
Yes, for me also Kahani. I love the film.
Yeah, I loved the film. And what was the other thing you asked? Small budget films. हमने तो ऐसी कोई फिल्म में काम नहीं किया.
Small में आप मतलब आप budget का amount बताइए, फिर हम small या big बोल सकते हैं. But no, I mean, Vicky Donor, I enjoyed it. I saw it after our film released, and I quite enjoyed it. It was good fun. The chemistry between Anu Kapoor and Ayushmann was fantastic. As two
I loved Pan Singh Tomar. Kahani also is an example of that. I think more than small budget, I think it's really new kind of cinema, which एक्चुअली दाद देनी पड़ेगी कि ऑडियंस की कैपेसिटी बहुत नई नई टाइप ऑफ फिल्म्स के लिए बढ़ गई है, विच इज़ ग्रेट, क्योंकि जो बनाना चाहता है वो बना सकता है, जिस एक्टर के साथ बनाना चाहता है वो बना सकता है, जिस बजट के, जिस कास्टिंग, जिस लोकेशन पे वो जैसी पिक्चर बनाना चाहता है वो बना सकता है, क्योंकि आज हर काइंड ऑफ फिल्म की ऑडियंस है इंडिया में, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग.
We requested you to use the microphone, please. And just a request to the audience that also that we keep our questions related to the event, please. We'll take this one question.
Right. So, hi. So, since we spoke about Kahani being one of the best movies and one of your favorites, both of y'all, Vidya's also getting married now. So, any best wishes for Vidya, or probably if you're attending any of the functions?
We're here for Ambi Valley City Glitterati 2013.
Just best wishes coming. That won't do any harm. I'm sure Ambi Valley would want to gift her a nice honeymoon package.
I'll give Sid and I'll give Vidya my best wishes when I meet them. I don't think this is the discussion to have. It's not funny either, the way you're laughing about it.
Right. A request once again to all our respected members, press, media. Let's keep the questions related to Glitterati 2013. Of course, that's the excitement that we're all talking about here. And in fact, talking about it, now that we have Praniti and Arjun right there, I'm sure, you know, Ambi Valley is a symbol of peace, happiness, and of course, the symbol of India. We'd like to know from you that it's going to be your first time together performing in this one beautiful place. What do you have to say about that?
Not to sound cliched, but I'm really very excited. A, because I've never been there. I've only seen photos. I've only heard from people who've been there. Yes, peace, harmony, happiness. It's such a serene place. I don't think 31st night, I don't think you can have a better location for that. Yes, I'm also very excited because, you know, I'm performing with Arjun after so long. I love working with him. So I'm really very excited. Actually, the location personally is my biggest motivating factor of actually performing there, because I performed at an awards function this year and it was a lot of fun, but I think this is going to be much better.
Such a performance in Ambi Valley is going to be really rocking. No doubt about that.
विवेक जी, आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ कि दो कलाकार हैं पर्सनली.
हाँ, ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है. हम भी जानना चाहते हैं.
मैं इस बात पर निर्भर करता है कि मेरे जो और मित्र लोग हैं, मेरे जानने वाले लोग हैं, उनकी तादाद ज़्यादा कहाँ होती है. तो मैं अपने मित्रों के साथ ज़्यादा बिताना चाहूँगा समय. अगर वो एमबी में ज़्यादा होंगे तो मैं एमबी में रहूँगा, अगर वो मुंबई में होंगे तो मैं मुंबई में ज़्यादा रहूँगा. है ना डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर ये?
नहीं सर, ये तो जमा नहीं, लेकिन
हाँ बिल्कुल. लेकिन आपने तो सर को बीच में फंसा दिया यहाँ पर, और बीच में फंसा दिया, इससे याद आया कि वी लव टू हैव गुड फोटो ऑप नाउ विद सर एंड Praniti and Arjun. So can we have
Hi Arjun.
New Year wish.
I wish सबकी पिक्चरें चले, मेरी थोड़ी ज़्यादा चले बस.
Okay, hi Arjun. In Ishaqzadeh, we saw the particular smirk of yours, the special USP which we had portrayed. So in Aurangzeb, is there anything particularly which you are working on?
अब यार वो पर्टिकुलर स्मर्क एक्चुअली कुछ ऐसे प्लान नहीं था, वो हबीब फैजल ने एक्सप्लॉइट कर लिया और मैं अटक गया उसके साथ. अब मैं और कोई पिक्चर में शायद यूज़ नहीं कर पाऊंगा वो स्माइल. बट Aurangzeb में there are certain things when the trailer, when the posters, when the material starts coming out, I'm sure you'll be able to see a different side to me. I'm playing a double role, so आपको एक नहीं दो अर्जुन देखने मिलेंगे. चाहे लोगों को पसंद आए या ना, बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा.
Thank you.
Yeah. Santa say I would ask to keep my family safe and happy and give them all that they want and give me the strength and the encouragement to continue working hard and bring in the new years the right way and continue working hard through the year and the years to come ahead. Can't be too selfish with Santa.
Well, thank you so much Arjun, thank you so much Praniti. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately
wish कीजिए, wish.
Santa से क्या wish मांगूं? अर्जुन कह रहा है मेरी पिक्चर चले, क्या सबकी पिक्चर चले, मेरी थोड़ी ज़्यादा चले. नहीं, सैंटा से मेरी विशेस होंगी यही कि मेरी फैमिली में कुछ मेंबर्स की हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है. मैं चाहती हूँ वो ठीक हो जाए और मेरे दोनों भाई मम्मी पापा जो भी काम करें, मैं जो भी काम करूँ और मेरे जितने भी दोस्त हैं वो काम करें, वो सब अच्छा हो, सबके लिए अच्छा ईयर हो 2013.
Fantastic. Thank you so very much, Praniti. Thank you so much. So we can give the lensmen something to talk about.
New Year wishes.
I'd like to wish all the viewers a very happy and prosperous New Year.
I'd like to wish each and every person watching us right now a happy New Year and a prosperous New Year. Happy, yeah, that only. पता नहीं क्या बोला मैंने, कुछ तो बोला.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, for all the lensmen now, well, this is your opportunity. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, for all the lensmen now, well, this is your opportunity, and for the final moment up on stage, Praniti Chopra, Arjun Kapoor, and Sri Vivek Kumar ji. On a sneak preview of what to expect here at Glitterati 2013. Well, thank you very much, Shri Vivekumar ji, sir. And of course, friends, as you're clicking your photographs of our 2 stars, I'd like to now invite you for tea and refreshments. Please make yourselves very comfortable, and all the very best. Thank you very much for your presence here at the press conference.
जो मुझे परिणीता बोलेगा मैं नहीं दूंगी उसको वोट।
चलो अम्बे वैली मैम
Thank you. जो मुझे परिणीता बोलेगा मैं नहीं दूंगी उसको वोट।
चलो अम्बे वैली
Thank you.